runway 1 left closed. Runway 1 left ILS out of service. Third advised turn effect. Advise the data to Romeo.
295 Mike, information on your clearance to Charleston.
Station 295 Mike Lima, Wichita, clear to Charlie Hotel Sierra Port. VS file maintain 5000. Expect flight level 410. 10 check your departure. Departure frequency 134.85. Squawk 1105.
295 Mike Lima, clear to Charleston. Asphalt 5000, 410, minutes after 3485, squawk 1105.
Station 5 Mike Lima, read back correct. Taxi 118.2.
Taxi 18.2.
2.
Citation 295, Mike Lima, Wichita, Tower, fly runway heading runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 1 right, clear for takeoff, 295.
Citation 5 Mike Lima, if you can pass the base and tops departure, that'd be appreciated. And contact them now, we'll see ya. Good night. November 2, 905 Mike Lima, Wichita departure, radar contact, turn right on course, climb maintain 15,000. That's 1 Whiskey Bravo, turn left heading 350, join the counter approach course. Sure, 361, turn left heading 020, join the counter approach course.
Are you all ready to press your luck? Sirius XM 80s on 8. Come on, play a song I haven't heard in a while. And no whammies. Stop! Let's open the 80s treasure chest for another auditory gem.
Flight 1514, contact Memphis 1, tree 5.22, good day.
3522, Frontier Flight 1514, clear.
See you. Delta 1435, zip ride okay at 35?
Yeah, it's better for Delta 1435. This, I'll call it.
Okay, very good.
Thanks for helping us out.
Hey, you're welcome. Resume beverage service.
Exactly.
Center Frontier Flight 391300.
Flight 391, Mr. Rush.
Center, good evening, November 295, Mike Lima, level 410.
November 295, Mike Lima, direction.
Potential aircraft hazardous weather information, airmet Zulu for portions of Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas. It says LY, but I think that's Louisiana. Tennessee, nope, Louisiana. Mississippi and Coastal Waters, House Flight Service. You know what? LY might be KY, so we'll call that one Kentucky. Yeah, I'm not very smart, son. It really stumps me. I remember the first time, years ago, I saw NE, I said New England. It's apparently Nebraska, but, you know.
Not that far apart.
You know, a few miles. According to the map behind me, it's only about 12 inches apart.
Exactly.
American 1895, 350.
American 1895, Memphis, folks. Reported moderate turbulence, 502-900. November 295, Mike Lima, contact Memphis Center, 133.12 today.
3312, you have yourself a good night. 5 Mike Lima.
Yes.
Center, good evening, November 295, Mike Lima, level 410.
November 295, Mike Lima. Frontier Flight 15, 14, 135.65.
3565, Frontier Flight 1514, see you. Sound up with 410, 390.
410. Almost 800, man.
Almost 800, go ahead.
Mike Lima, you can whenever proceed direct to Ashley, the honor marker, and set and maintain 3000. Mike Lima, just use caution, the Airbus that's on short final said they reported green laser off their left. They're on a 3-mile final, 1,100. I'll have more information here in a minute. Mike Lima, right to follow the heavy 707, caution weight chart, clear visual approach runway 15.
Mike Lima, Roger, you can follow the heavy 707, Caution Mike Turbo, clear to land 15, wind 1203. Mike Lima, and just use caution. There was a report of a green laser heading to your left. Just let me know if you get anything. An American 1857, Charlie Alpha with me.
Charlie Alpha with you, American 1857.
American 1857, was it a steady light, pulsing, and any other information you can give me about it?
It was a steady light, and it looked like it was waving back and forth.
Oh, you said green?
It was green.
Roger, and probably about half mile west or east of final.
It was underneath the base. The aircraft that was on downwind, it would have been right or underneath their base turn.
Alright, Roger, thank you. And you couldn't happen to tell if it came from any type of a residential neighborhood or anything like that, could you?
It looked like an apartment complex, maybe north of a commercial strip of some sort.
Alright, Roger, thank you.
Standing on the go.
Generate contact departure on 120.7.
120.7, Lieutenant.
120.7.
120.7, Lieutenant.
And American, just to confirm it, did it have any effect on flight?
That's negative.
Right. American 1857, sorry for all the questions, but the last piece of info I needed was where are you guys coming inbound from?
We're inbound from Charlotte, American 1857. Left on Alpha, right on Gulf Park with me.
I think so.